Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload videos or files to Terabox. Well, this is very easy thing to do. You have to just go to Google and you have to type your Terabox, and here you will be, this will be the first link. Click on it. Once you click on it, you have to log in into this. It's very easy, just like how you make an account over other Instagram or other social medias, you have to do the same thing. Once you're here, you will get this access to this. So this is a free version. Right, so here to upload a video or folder, it's very easy. Just click on the Terabox EL logo and you will be redirected here, right? It will show here all the files and everything. This is a by default quick guide. You can just read it, but no need to read it as I'm explaining you here. Click on upload, right? You can just click on upload. And here, for example, this is a video. Let me show you. So this is a video I want to upload. So I will select, and as you can see here, this video is getting uploaded. Right, so it's very easy thing to do. You can just use this Terabox. It's exactly similar like OneDrive or Google Drive or any other cloud storage. So once the video is uploaded, you can just view here, right? And as you can also share it, so it's very easy thing to do. For example, this is a file and I want to share this. So I will just right click on it, and here you will get an option of share. So just click on share, right? And here you will also get an option to share from here too. And for example, I want to view this, I will just click on double tap, or I will just download this folder or basically the file, and then I can view it. It's very easy, just like how you upload any other files or folders. It's same. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.